In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP Color LaserJet Pro M276nw series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP Color LaserJet Pro M276nw printer support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro 200 Color MFP M276nw. Open that up. And then on this page, you want to expand the driver product installation software section here and select the HP LaserJet Pro 200 Color M276 full feature software and drivers. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Or I guess technically it's really more to extract the files, and just give that a moment. And you should receive a user account control prompt. Should be a verified publisher from the Hewlett-Packard company. It should say launch this HP installer. Select yes. And then you want to just proceed with the wizard that you see on my screen here. And again, you can select optional software if you'd like to install it. Otherwise, you can just cancel out of them and then select next. Follow through the on-screen setup guide here. It's a pretty intuitive process, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.